Where is it? Oh, yeah. All right, guys, finally came in today. Waited all day for this beauty to come in. This box is tiny. Like, I saw videos of it before. I don't know how to describe it to you, but it's like tiny. The Quest 2. Out of the way. Quest 2 is in a very, very small box, very thin, very long box. Like, again, I can't even like tell you. I've seen pictures, I've seen videos. I did not expect it to be this small. Let's take a look at the box. It looks very nice, very sleek, white, just like what you'd expect. Got some games on the back. Let's see, what are they advertising? That's what I'm interested in. Next level hardware. Well, it's not just next level, it's 3 levels up with the XR2 chip. That's 3 generations of advancement. Easy setup. Open the box and jump right into VR. No PC console wires or external sensors needed. Very cool. But they do have an asterisk next to that to say requires wireless internet access and a Facebook account. Now, I know everyone's getting upset about it, how we need a Facebook account. I honestly don't think it's that big of a deal, so I think we're good to go. Let's open it up. Let's see if I can get this without cutting the box. Oh yeah, that's a satisfying feeling right there. Oh yeah. All right, now we're gonna take the sleeve off. Put that aside. And we're left with this. Now, I don't know why they stuck with this cardboard look. It looks kind of, I don't know, like a fake from China. Not really sure. But it has the logo, so you know it's legit. Oh yeah, baby. There we go. There it is. After weeks and weeks, after months of speculation, we have it right here. The Oculus Quest 2. Holy crap, is this thing tiny. Like, holy crap. Some initial thoughts. It looks, it's not white, okay? Like, it looks white here, but it's not there. That's because they've got this sleeve on it. This little cardboard, cardboard, just paper. It's actually not white. Like, I don't know if you can see this in the camera, if you compare it with the white here or the white here, it's more like an off-white, slightly gray. I think it looks really, really nice, actually. I'm like really excited. We'll take this off. We got our strap here. Everyone's been talking bad about this strap. We'll see if that's any good. Got some lens protectors, nice. The pad feels like it's a lot nicer and a lot more comfortable than the other one. We'll have to see how it feels when I put it on, but it definitely feels a lot more comfortable. And then you can take it off, obviously. We got the glasses spacer. Let's take a look at the controllers real quick. Now, I heard everyone saying that this was supposed to be more ergonomic, and then I heard a lot of people saying it wasn't more ergonomic. I don't know. I think it's harder to get the home button. I feel like the grip, like around here, feels really nice, but the button configuration on top is a little less comfortable. The grip is really comfortable, but up here is not as comfortable. That's all I'm gonna say about that. I do like that instead of having the other types of straps, we have like these little rope straps, kind of like shoelaces. I think that's kind of nice looking. Let's see what the battery cover's like. Battery cover just slides off just like the other one. Just slides on and off, except, let's see. Okay, so instead of being a magnet, I think it's kind of hooking in, like the plastic's actually hooking in instead of being a magnet. So that's gonna be nice so that when you're doing Beat Saber, it's not gonna fly off and slide off like the other one. So that's kind of nice. I don't have the other Quest right here in front of me, but the rings do look about the same size. I guess they're angled differently. That's the biggest thing that I'm noticing also, is they're angled way different. Let's see what's inside this cute little box. Ooh, cool little Oculus sticker. Nope, it's a manual. Don't need manuals, nobody uses that. Got our nice little charger, USB-C. For those that might be wondering, can you use this for Oculus Link? I'm gonna say probably, because you could use the other one, but I don't think it's meant to do that because, look at this, it's tiny. So you're gonna plug it into the computer, plug it into your headset, and you're gonna be like a foot away from it. This is like 1.5 feet long, 2 feet maybe. So yeah, you're definitely not gonna be using this for any online play. Yeah, let's compare the controllers to the other Quest. So if we compare them side by side, it does look like the Ring is a little bit bigger, but not really, which makes me wonder if some of the other accessories that were meant for this Ring could work with this one. So I was curious to see if this ring protector would work on these. And it looks like it doesn't. It looks like the Ring is actually a little bit bigger and it's not gonna fit on very snug. If I did get it on, it'd be very, very tight. But yeah, I feel like this isn't, any of the other Ring designs aren't gonna work for this. And another Ring attachment that goes on the inside and pushes out. I feel like that one would fit, but maybe be just a little bit loose. And it would only fit if I cut off the bottom part of it, because like I said, the Ring is angled differently here, so there's less room for it to go down. I don't know if that makes any sense, but if not, I'll cut it out of the video. Let's see, what else can we look at? So if you don't already know, if you're not an enthusiast like me, looking at the Quest, we have 2 slots right here for your headphones, one for headphone, one for your charging. Unlike the original Quest, there was only 1 slot for headphones. So if you have those headphones that go one on either side, they're separated, those won't work with this. You'll have to get 1 cord to combine them together. We got our volume here on the bottom, just like the other Quest. Little microphones, I've heard the microphone on this isn't that bad. Could be better, could always be better, but it's not that bad. And then we got on this side power, little light bulb right there. This moves, the strap moves just like the original Quest. Let's take a look. This comes off. Now I already know just from other people that this facial interface, it's not gonna be the same size as the other Quest, so any facial interface accessories just aren't gonna work with this. We're gonna keep that here because I wanna see how good this one is before. And then let's take a look at the lenses. So we're gonna take this off. Oh yeah. So the actual lenses themselves, I guess you just push them. Yeah, you just push them to get them. I don't like that. I don't like having to push it to get to the different IPD adjustments, because then you risk touching the lens. So I don't like pushing the lenses because then I feel like you're gonna actually touch the lenses when you're trying to adjust it. But I do like that they still tried to accommodate us with an IPD slider of some sort, even if it's not perfect. One other thing I noticed about this is the strap. I can't tell you about the comfort of the strap. I've heard mixed things about it, but one thing I don't like is the functionality of the strap. Adjusting the length of it really kind of sucks. I'm sitting here trying to find the right size for me. It's really hard to move these. And then I don't know, like as you can see, I'm trying to get it tighter or looser right now. I guess you're supposed to pull these in, and then like, it's just really confusing and hard to do. Okay, but now it's too loose, so then you think, okay, I can put it on my head and tighten it, but then it tightens too much to one side, too much to the other side. I don't know, just in general, these strap mechanisms, I liked having Velcro. I thought Velcro, like, it's tried and true, works fantastic. Like, let's just go back to Velcro, guys. I mean, we have Velcro on top to adjust the top of it, but again, I think the sides, I don't know what this weird mechanism is. Velcro would have been a better option. As far as taking off the strap, seems to just, I think it just pops right off. Yep, it just pops off like that. And so definitely the deluxe audio strap will not fit on as it is. You're gonna have to get some sort of attachment to do that, or just do it with some Velcro. That's what it looks like without that on, and then just clip it back on. I guess they did this because they're now selling third-party straps. Quick thought on that, I really think they should have included headphones in their version of the deluxe audio strap. I mean, it's not really their version of the deluxe audio strap because it has no audio. It's just the, what is it, the Elite strap. I really think they should have included audio, because if they included audio and a battery pack on the back, man, I would have bought that in a heartbeat. But since it was just a battery pack and just a comfort improvement, I couldn't justify it, honestly, because the deluxe audio strap for me will do both of those things with the battery I have on the back of my deluxe audio strap. It'll charge it up, it'll give me good audio, and it'll fix comfort. It'll do all three of those in one. They were only able to give me two solutions, so that's why I didn't get that. So I will be trying this on, and if you guys are interested, I can give you my thoughts about it in a different video after I've had some time to try it. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like coming out of the box, because man, I was just so excited to get this thing as soon as I came home. Like, it is beautiful, and I am literally gonna go put it on right now, play around with it. And if you guys want to see what that looks like, if you want to see what the gameplay is like on this, subscribe. Comment down below that you want to see my thoughts on this, because if you guys are interested, I'll do an entirely full review of the Oculus Quest 2, but only if you guys are interested in that. Thank you all for watching. I'm out.